In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to connect AirPods to Xbox Series S controller and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, the AirPods are primarily used wirelessly over Bluetooth, so all that you have to do is put them inside of the charging case, open the lid, and usually press and hold the button at the back of the case depending on your model. So once you put your AirPods into pairing mode, all that you would have to do is go over to any device, access the Bluetooth devices available, and choose them from the list. However, with the Xbox, what you will notice is that even if you go over to the settings on the Xbox console, you browse through all the options on the dashboard, you will not be able to find anything related to Bluetooth. As it stands today, no Xbox console is able to use Bluetooth audio devices, so as it stands today, connecting them directly is impossible. In this video, I'm going to show you some alternatives, but I just wanted to make it very clear that there is no direct way to connect your AirPods to an Xbox Series S controller. So the alternatives are the workarounds. First include using the Xbox app Remote Play. So if you go over to the Xbox application, you will be able to connect two parties and use the voice chat in there. All that you have to do is connect your AirPods to any iPhone that you have, any mobile device, open the Xbox application, and when you join a party, you will be able to talk in voice chat using the AirPods in there. You just have to keep the Xbox application running on the background and you will be good to go. Alternatively, you can buy a Bluetooth audio adapter for your Xbox Series S controller. This device allows you to connect Bluetooth headphones like the AirPods to devices with a 3.5mm audio jack, including the Xbox Series S controller. So all that you have to do is plug this Bluetooth audio transmitter inside of the 3.5mm audio jack on the controller and then connect the transmitter to the AirPods. With this done, you will be able to pair them up and listen to all of the audio being output on the Xbox. You might have a little bit of latency, however, this is the best workaround if you want to connect it directly to the console without using the application. Besides this, there is no other way to actually connect them. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect AirPods to Xbox Series S controller. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.